Hello, in front of me I have TCL 60 SE NXTpaper 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. Okay, so we have two options how we can reset this device. First option is through the settings and the second is through the recovery mode. So let me show you both of those options. Let's begin with the reset from the settings. So simply open up your settings. In here, slide to the downside, find the system. Now scroll down, find other options, and in here we have options to reset. Of course, we are interested in erasing all data, the factory reset, but in here, though, you can reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, and reset app preferences, and also erase eSIMs. Okay, so remember that all of your data will be lost when you perform the factory reset. So click in here. Now you need to click on erase all data, then follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Also, if you want, you can create a backup before the reset, so thanks to that you will be able to restore your data later. On our channel there's a video also how to create such a backup. Okay, so then click on erase all data, but now let me show you how to reset through the recovery mode. So we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding both of those buttons. Okay, keep on holding. And now the recovery mode should appear. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode, just as you can see. And now using the volume keys, we can move around this menu. And now simply select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now again select factory data reset. Click the power button. Remember that all of your data will be lost also in this method. And now you can see that data wipe has been successfully completed. Now select reboot system now, click on the power button, and now just like in the previous method, the phone will be turned on automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to basically set up your device. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.